Check out the bees flying all over hell like they're mad.
Are any spots that are deep? What are you gonna do?
Freak out from bees flying all over me.
I was bent down with my head right here while they were putting that thing back on.
What I thought was just lift the top box together.
You can't say no one else is
I don't want to take the top box off. I can just show him in this one.
Can't see anything. Look at, they're drowning in that.
Yeah, they did that one. Adam filled it.
Did you fill it too full?
No. They just didn't climb fast enough.
I want to see. Holy crap, check that out.
Oh, it gets cooler when you see the baby.
Look at all the bees in there.
They helped line that up there.
Down.
And here I am, dumb enough. In shorts.
You got one here.
Hey, I got shorts on. My shorts
Hey, look,
are
it's a little
shorter.
stinger came out loose.
Hold on, I want to see.
I'm surprised I haven't gotten stung
So what's
yet.
that little board thing with the hole in it do?
That's air in.
Just ventilation, so.
Oh, is that where yours are trying to come out, Adam?
No, I had a different top board that had
Yeah.
a hole in the front.
Well, I seen how yours was. I helped you drill the hole in it. But can you see the bees buzzing all around here?
Isn't it amazing you can be this close to them and like they don't sting you unless you move fast? If you move fast, they'll attack you.
Now you tell me.
Hey.
Like, look at this.
There, get out of here.
All right, gladly. Do I take my pants off at the gate so that if there's any bees in it, they can get out? I'm serious.
How fast do sheep snow?
Here, I want one.
Eat that one.
We have some inside.
We have a bunch.
All right.
Okay, come on.
Will this bee that's on this chunk get mad if I pick it up?
Yeah.
No, let's
Yeah,
blow it
don't
off.
take too much of it.
Let's blow it off.
Check me out.
Oh.
Check in my...
Hold up a little bit on your neck.
There
I was
ain't
going to
nothing
look
in
up my shorts and see if there's any in
nothing
there.
in the hood, is there?
Ooh, it is hot out here for a jacket, isn't it
Yeah.
not?
I'm wearing black rain boots.
Do I have any bees on me anywhere?
See so. Turn around.
Help me get that.
No, you look fine. Other than unless they crawled in your crack. You can see some crack.
Yeah, I'm just going to trust you.
All right.
Okay.
Check
We're
me out.
good.
I look good.
Yeah.
Oh man, those are some sticky gloves, huh?
I know.
Peace.
Nothing.
We're gonna have to go inside and